New Lexus TX.
No. Don't remember the white car. I kind of like the copper. You like what?
This is Lexus's version of the Toyota Grand Highlander, a properly sized 3-row SUV. But what this has that Toyota won't have, we'll have a plug-in hybrid version, and of course, as all Lexuses have, an F Sport trim model, which is shown here on the floor.
I know it's a lot, but I just washed my hands.
In fact, this is showing the plug-in hybrid model. 33 miles of all-electric range on a full-size 3-row SUV.